Hi, very good evening to all. I am Sumit Rohila and I have worked with Sand Soldier, and I am very thankful to Amul who gave me this opportunity where I can show my skills, and a very big thanks to Mr. Sandeep Lohani who gave me this great opportunity where I can show my skills, and this is the great platform for me where I can give a basic cutlet with a little bit of fusion. And let's start. Don't waste time. Now we will start. Now, first of all, we have to make we have these soy nutri soaked and churned. We have to add it, and carrot grated. This is poha. My recipe name is poha cutlet with curry mayo. This is the great ingredient which have carbohydrates and rich source of carbohydrate, which gives immense flavor to this cutlets. Green chili as per your taste, and that is capsicum again grated. This is Amul paneer which I have again grated. You can churn it with your hand if you don't want to grate it. Onions finely chopped. And this is Amul processed cheese which I kept for filling after the mixture. And this is boiled mashed potato which gives binding to my mixture. And we have to add masalas, which is Indian spices. As we all know, India is known for Indian spices. Salt as per taste, black pepper as per taste. Be careful, we have already added green chilies, so add little bit. This is Indian garam masala. This is coriander powder. And this is amchur powder. Give a good mix. We have to mix it well and ensure all the ingredients are mixed well and the spices mixed well. Otherwise, somewhere spices comes a lot and somewhere nil. Now we have to add cornstarch to bind it. Otherwise our mixture, when we give a shape of a cutlet, it will segregate it, or it will flatten while we are deep frying it. Or we are adding corn flour just because this is pure vegetarian recipe and we don't have to add eggs in it. try to give a shape. If add some little more arrowroot or cornstarch, we can say that. And now make roundels and flatten blade. Add Amul processed cheese and now give a shape of your choice. I am giving as oval shape. Like this, and meanwhile we have to on our gas to heat up the oil. And this is my first live session on Facebook, and I never been live in my lifetime. This is my first opportunity which given by my mentor Mr. Sandeep Lohani, who is the principal of our college, Saint Soldier, and thanks to Amul again. As we have added all vegetables in 100 gram each, or you can count it on as 2 carrots, 1 big onion, 2 potatoes medium, and 100 and 30 grams of soy nutri, that is soybean nutri, soaked and churned. You can give any shape of your choice, a roundel or flat or square, rectangle. This is my favorite shape, oval and easy to make this shape. This is healthy. If you are making roundels like aloo tikki, you can use this as your burger patty. This is rich in proteins and carbohydrates, as we use bunch of vegetables. And for the mayo, due to time boundation, for the mayo we have to take, if we are taking 50 ml of milk, then we have to take 100 ml of fat, which is salad oil, maybe canola oil, or maybe olive oil you can use, and just hand blend it and mix it with the, for giving the curry flavor, that is raw mango. While mixing, just be careful, so you have to blanch the curry raw mango before adding, just because of vitamin C in curry that may curdle the milk, in our stomach that may indigestion in your while you are digesting it. And just make sure you have to decrease the vitamin C by boiling it, and that leaches the vitamin C, and then puree it with the mayo. And I have already made that. I'll show you. This is the curry mayo, which is a blend of mayonnaise and raw mango puree. This will give a bitter or a little bit of sourness with your cutlets, which is a little bit of, I am trying to fuse something with authentic cutlets from Kolkata. And for deep fry, we have to make a slurry of cornstarch, 1 spoon of cornstarch and 2 spoon of refined flour, that is maida, and we have to use water. Just give a mix well. Make sure there is no lumps in it. A little bit thinner required. This is perfect. And now make sure you have to add salt and pepper to this, because it gonna cover our cutlets before breadcrumb coating. So if there is no flavor in coating, no one gonna love your cutlets. Give again a great mix so there is no lumps. Yes, this is perfect. This is breadcrumbs with corn flakes churned with the breadcrumbs, brown breadcrumbs I have taken, and corn flakes, which is from Kellogg's, and I have grind it well. Now we have to take our cutlets. Gas on medium flame, not low, not too high. And now I am taking my cutlets, given a shape. We take it and coat it with breadcrumbs. If your mixture is lumpy or you think it's running, you have to keep in your refrigerator before deep frying it. This is perfect. We kept it here, and do it again with another one. Yes, this is perfect. Now I am gonna deep fry it. First I have to check my oil. This is too high. Now I'm gonna deep fry it. Just slide it. Be careful. This is done. This is little bit more crunchy due to high heat. And repeat the process with another cutlets. We have two more here. As I told you earlier, this is my first live session. I am a bit nervous for this. This is done. This is our cheesy cutlets. The word cutlets came from the German, but what they what they talk about cutlets is a thin sliced meat which is coated with either breadcrumbs or another things and then deep fried. But in our India, we refer cutlets to the food item which is maybe or may not be from chicken or meat, but maybe from vegetables, and I have given a fusion of cheese in it, and we have to plate it. Just cut it in half. Like this, and I have already set up my platter for this mouth-watering snacks, midnight snacks. This is our midnight snacks. Now this time for the queries. If anyone have any questions that I haven't given due to some technical issue, I don't get my comments on my laptops. Is there any query? That is my snacks name is poha cutlets. This is curry mayo. Be careful for the while making mayo with curry, because curry is much richer in vitamin C that makes maybe indigestions. So be careful while making curry mayo. Thank you for the lovely session, and once again thank you to the Amul, and thank you to the Science Soldier. Mr. Sandeep Lohani gives me this opportunity